Oh, every now and then I think of some wordplay that seems like a fun thing to turn into a physical object. A few years ago, I thought of the Rat Sphinx, taking the Rat Sphinx and the Sphinx model and combining them together. And I put that file up on Thingiverse. I'll put this one up on Thingiverse too. These are both basically files where I took a rat fink and a sphinx, probably both from Thingiverse, and joined them together. This particular one I just went on and looked for fish and looked for a tank, and I found two I liked. I joined them together to make a fish tank. So of course I could have grabbed a shark and made a shark tank, but I think fish tank is better for me, and you can always do your own. But this one's printed right here on the A1 Mini. I split it down the middle. So it'll print with very minimal supports. This one was printed on the resin printer a couple of years ago. As you can see, it's hollow. And I made it small because resin was expensive. But that's about it. I'm just having a little bit of fun with some wordplay, and you guys can do it too. If you think of a couple of words that you think are fun putting together, go up on Thingiverse. You can probably find the items you want there, and then just join them together in your favorite slicer and save them, print them.